everyone, this is Sean, your roof guy. We're out here in rainy Orlando, Florida today, as opposed to our usual sunny Florida. Give us a lot of time to get caught up, maybe make a couple of videos, talk to you about a couple of things. One is, now is the perfect time to have your roof inspected for any kind of storm damage. We've had a couple of great recent storms. The most recent storm supersedes all the other storm dates we've been using for the last year. Doesn't matter what the roof looks like, the fact that we had a storm last week on the 11th, it allows us to go on roofs and find damage that is new and any old damage for that reason. And we can encompass that all into one storm day. So take the opportunity to call and get a free roof inspection. The deductibles are still low. Let's capitalize on that. Quick pause. Starting to get quite a following with Sean, your roof guy. A lot of good information out there. I'm going to continue to give you good information, a lot of insurance claim help. Like, share, subscribe. We appreciate you guys. Thank you. I want to talk to you a little bit about upgrades and how cost effective they can be. A lot of people get in the pattern of just taking that lowest roof bid or getting a bid and just going with it without doing any kind of investigation or what can I get for my money, what kind of upgrades are available. And a couple of small upgrades that I'm doing right now for a homeowner. We're doing a flat roof and we're going to taper it. Well, that seems like a really good idea. Florida code wants you to taper it, but for a small fee, we can add 2-inch insulation to this roof to help it be a lot cooler in the winter, in the summertime, warmer in the wintertime. It's a simple upgrade that we'll take care of. Another upgrade obviously is going from a 30-year shingle to a 40-year or even impact-resistant shingle. These upgrades aren't expensive as you would think, and they provide a lot more protection for you. Ask your roof guy. Ask what else is available. Be happy to explain everything that's available for upgrades, from moving to metal roof, from taking it to an impact resistant, from tapering your roof, adding insulation. All these things will help in the long run. Plus, most of them get insurance rebates for doing so. So let's talk about your roof and what we can do to upgrade for it. This is Sean with XLR8 Roofing. You guys have a great day. Be kind to each other.